How many children you say again?
I don't know his children. Not know anyone.
You say again, no, my
Wait, sister, take care of 3 months now. Wait, sister, take care of me. 3 months now, my mama leave me.
Hmm.
Now my mama leave me. Now don't get woman take care of me.
Yo. I feel like.
Hey, my people. Una remember the video where I tell una say part 2 go there. That man wey be say he say he born 8 children, say his children abandon am for him house. Wey come say the man come say he need help make he do renovation for him house. Una remember the video. The part 2 una just lis ten, so I go put the whole video for una make una lis ten. No be 8 children this man get o. Hey Jesus o. His daughter wey dey for abroad, una know say I tell una say his daughter dey for abroad. The daughter don call the person wey be say post that video say this man wey you bring come out na my papa. Una know say social media get one thing wey be say if you do video you post am, maybe if you dey lie or anything wey be say you talk for that video, person wey know you understand, if he contact the person wey post am say this person I know am. So the person wey post that video na he come record his daughter wey be say dey for abroad. This man pikin he dey for abroad. I don't know whether na 1 or 2, but na one of her daughter na he call him papa. Na the daughter come dey explain say him papa no train her. Hey, he say she dey for 3 months. According to her daughter, I go put the video on, I go lis ten. He say she dey for 3 months wey be say na the papa sister na him train her. He say even when he can't even go abroad, you understand? He say she still dey try dey give him papa something to eat. Hey, you know say when e be say na polygamy house, e get as e be. Many children dey. This one go say no be only me one e born. The other one go say no be only me one e born. No be me be senior, no be me be third. You understand? Something like that. I go put the video for una more and see the way e be say this girl take challenge him papa. No be small thing no. You see say if papa train you, you go get that love. You understand? If your parents they were there for you, that love go dey there. Even the way this girl take talk to him papa, you go know say nothing like love for them. She talk many things for inside the video. He say she dey send him papa money, like the way him hand still reach. She get family for where he say she get family, you know, she don marry, she get her children to take care, she not be senior, she not be, you know, understand, you know, all those things. Make I put the video for now, make una watch this video, make una see the way e be say she take reply this papa. The girl even dey cry herself, even dey insult him papa. You see children like this, if they insult their parents, just know say the parent was not there when they need them. You understand? They don't know the feeling of parents. They don't know the person wey train them. Now they know say this one na be my papa or my mama. So me, I no go fit blame children like that. Pikin wey be say e dey do like that, I no fit blame man because e dey look the man like another person. Do you understand? Not be say because he curse am say he curse am well. But na your father, she no get that feeling. You no go fit force am, put am for inside him brain or put am for inside him mind. Because wetin she pass through, me not pass through that thing, you not pass through that thing. You understand? Na im make am good for life. Make papa and mama, make dem dey put hand together to train their children, make dem grow up, make that love dey. If that love no dey, even though when dem come grow, that love don go, e don go. Nothing can bring it back again. Make I put the video for una, make una watch. Please love and like and share. If you be parents, try to take care of your children because of old age. So people go say, I no go lie go my children hands. Not be only go your children hands. You understand? Some people no understand the meaning of if you be papa or mama, try make you train your pikin. Not be only because you want go in house. Even to see that love your children come, e come like, you know, soya jamu where come like, mommy, daddy, I want call my papa, you don't eat, mama, how everything. That thing, Anyway, make I put this video for Nana. Bye bye.
How many children you say again?
I don't know his children. Not know anyone.
You say again, no, my
Wait, sister, take care of 3 months now. Wait, sister, take care of me. 3
Yo. I feel like it's okay, my sister. It's okay. 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 It's okay, my dear. It's okay. 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 It's okay, my sister. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
Nigeria made 5 now I lost from Nigeria. I spent only 1 week. He said that 1 week I won't go see my papa. I won't go see my papa. I don't spend the I go stay and say I will come back.
Okay, you know be papa.
I go sleep for people.
If I know be
papa. Waiting the apart not they find me waiting in my mouth. Which kind of trouble?
I go no Saturday to Saturday to Saturday. Don't be 1 week in that.
Yes.
Now I spend for Nigeria. I buy tickets. I go Nigeria. I spend 1 week. All the name will say my papa nowhere. I go first year. I see a bit of right. I wish you go. Now I send money go as made the Twitter. I go send you everything where they send money.
Send me everything.
I didn't talk of you.
But as it is stated for you, but why can't you just say, okay, please, my daughter, I'm sorry. Why can't, because if you that video you say none of your children will come through for you. No, I even asked you. I said, hey, Pa, did you have any daughter in abroad? You said no. But you did not tell me that although I see the house, although I see the house is not good, right? I see the house that is not good. To be sincere, I see the house is not good. It's not okay. But if the house you try, you try because Nigeria na really poor. You get me? Na really poor. Yeah.
I want to marriage.
Yeah.
She will have deadly. Based on saying, as soon as people go to the house, they go check. Waiting there,
yeah.
Nothing that feels price for the house.
Yeah.
Now I said I do everything. I did everything just to make him happy. Go this window. We will tell them say I want to do.
Now wood window that they don't
I tell you this.
I'm not the best daughter.
Yeah.
I did my best for this.
You tried. And what am I when I tell you try. You try. Cut the house. Although okay, my sister, how many? Okay, how many years now? Wait, how many years now you don't take on renovate the house? How many years? Yes.
I'm supposed to be the best. I'm not the best daughter. I'm not the best. I'm
Yeah.
the second daughter.
Yeah.
First daughter. I'm the first daughter. So then, not be me supposed to do a yoga talk. I don't say I want to do marriage. I can't say no. I want to understand. I'm gonna do everything what they do for her.
Yeah.
I understand. I better. That's what say this man say 100,000. No go reach. 100,000 no go reach. No 200,000. That is my.
Paper come. Come tell your pikin say make you no vex.
I talked to her.
Wait. Tell your pikin say make you no vex. Okay, wait. Paper go back. Wait, now your pikin. Wait, how many years now you don dey wait till you renovate this house? How many years? You wait till you renovate this house then.
You don't tell.
How many years now?
Don't reach here.
20.
You try now. How do they renovate 20 something? You don't spoil now.
Right.
You try. Because Eru na ya itaje ni no hipa.
We are attended sunu na eri me abi attend ogo. Ya wa ni ya to ta ikopa.
Hipa. Be ni ra ya u. Me we ge na, We bo ma easy. Epa, we bo ma easy.
Where can them be?
You understand? But we bo ma easy, Baba. We bo ma easy.
Ina gbegba ina we eyin me wo me gugwa wo eyin me gugwa
Oya apologize. Amen egui
me gugwa
la egui sister la egui
Daddy, we feel back over Baba. Don't feel back over Ramena. I married that video, Baba. Don't feel back over Ramena. You know, oh, you know, part of no one, and I pay. If you are going, yeah, you are.
All right. Yes, operation you nakinanya. My ban. All right. Obege mi no se mi na agba. We mi no se ni na agba ba. E na pe o.
Pa baba mi nu we hia wa o we no ko na no rewebo. Amena egui. No la no ya bo we. Amena egui.
La wo e we megugwa. E we megugwa e ma ni ma ko gba. E me ni jo e megugwa. E ma e we megugwa.
La mommy la egui. La I know say you try. You try. Yes. Yes.
That didn't construct this statement. Since morning. Since yesterday they said that if the speaker is married by I'm not talking about. I'm talking to my your own daughter. She was doing this.
They come. When I go, they come.
Okay, ma. I told her one matter na my brother. I want to see you lucky them over Kiri and married. Yeah, my very life. Yaro. Okay, ya be there. As you man be there by my brother. I don't matter na say we go water. Oh ya basha wo ya ge. Ito ya.
The motor.
Please find the yes or no.
The motor.
Daddy didn't construct the statement well. No,
the statement was too wrong. It was my fault. It was my fault.
Am I winning agree?
La we come I agree no la go. Go me ya. La go. Black I anyone or ya ma say you may o see na tell me.
It's okay. It's okay, Baba. Oteme la ogume yin o kan we no ya bo won. I understand. Baba, what's your knock you turn away? What's your knock you turn away? When I dem oh, you know turn away. Men are no more 1,150. You can man no more. Okay, 150. Okay, then you get 600. Okay. So no wala baba. We have my winning agree. Agree, sister.